Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ruffled center granny square. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. There's the ring. Chain 2. That takes the place of the first double crochet. Make 11 more double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So I'm going to go ahead and make a total of 12 double crochet in the ring. Okay, I have 11 double crochet in the chain 2, and that's the equivalent of 12 double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. So now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. That takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1. Double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Double crochet. Okay. Repeat all the way around, chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, I worked all the way around, making a double crochet and a chain 1. There's my last double crochet, and I chained 1, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 2. Slip stitch into the next chain 1 space. Chain 2, and that takes the place of the first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet in that same stitch, so 1 and 2. In every chain 1 space around, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I have 36 double crochet in my circle, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. So now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and that takes the place of a double crochet. In that same stitch, make a double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. And that's my first corner stitch. Double crochet in the next 8 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. My corner and 8 double crochet. In the next stitch, make a corner stitch. 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. So I have a corner and a corner, and now I'm going to do 8 double crochet and another corner, 8 double crochet and another corner, and then 8 double crochet and slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Okay, so that's how that would work. So now we're going to go back down and we're going to work the ruffles in the spokes of these double crochet stitches. So if you're working in the same color, you could simply slip stitch your way back here. If you're going to make your ruffle in a different color, you could fasten off and attach the yarn. If you want to make your granny square larger, you can just continue to add additional rows, and to do that, you would just make a double crochet in every double crochet, including the 2 double crochets in the corner stitch, and work your corner stitch in those chain 2. So that would be in here 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and a double crochet in every one. You can just keep making your granny square larger and larger in that way. So I'm just going to slip stitch my way back down to here. So just slip stitch, make another slip stitch here, anywhere in the stitches. And then I'll slip stitch in that next double crochet. So now I'm positioned to begin my ruffles. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So to make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times. I'm going to work around the post of the double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's the equivalent of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm just going to turn and I'm going to find the next double crochet, which is here. And I'm going to work 6 triple crochet in that double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you can see I'm working in the double crochet. So I worked that one, and I worked that one, and now I'm going to come over to this one. So I'm just going to hold it so that I can get at it and make 6 triple crochet in here. Okay, so I have 6 worked in that double crochet, 6 in that one, 6 down in this one. I'm going to work 6 and then 6 and 6. I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, worked all the way around, making 6 triple crochet in the sides of every double crochet, back and forth. There's my last triple crochet, and I'm just going to slip stitch to join, and then I can fasten off. And there you have a ruffled center granny square. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.